Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so tell me something about yourself.
I am Sneha Shinde and I am from Pune. Currently, I am pursuing my bachelor's degree in electronics and telecommunication from Bharati Vidyapeeth's College of Engineering for Women. I have been learning and working on various programming languages including C, CPP, Python and SQL. And today I am here for the mock interview.
Okay, what is the sequence?
In SQL, sequence is an user-defined schema-bound object that generates a sequence number, like the auto increment, in which we can start its sequence from 1 to n with an increment of 1 or as we wish. We can use sequence in a primary key.
Primary key. Okay. Yeah. So can we start from sequence 1?
Yes, we can.
And can we put increment by 2?
Yes, as we wish we can put.
Okay. And if I want to give any limit, is it possible?
Yes, it is.
Okay. What is the distinct?
Distinct is a keyword that retrieves the unique value from the set specific column or set of columns. In short, it extracts the unique value by avoiding the non-duplicate values.
Okay. A distinct, is it possible to put more than one column?
Yes, we can.
Okay. So, what is the joins in SQL?
Joins can be used to join more than two tables by using some specific conditions. There are mainly 6 types: inner join, left join, right join, full join, self join and cross join.
Okay. What is the inner join in SQL?
By using inner join, it fetches the values from both the table which are common to each other.
Okay. What is the right outer join?
In right outer join, it will show the whole data in the right table, and in left it will show only the common records.
Okay. What is the full outer join?
In full outer join, the whole data from the both tables will be shown.
Okay. So, and what is the left outer join?
In left outer join, the whole data from the left will be shown, and in right side it will show only the common data from the left.
What is the self join in SQL?
In self join, we can use to join the table to itself only by giving the condition.
Okay. What is the cross join?
Cross join will join to, like from the one record from the first table, it will join to volt record from the another table.
Okay. It's like one to many.
One to many, yes.
Okay. So, what is the foreign key in SQL?
Foreign key is a field or collection of the fields in a table that refers to the primary key into the another table. The table which contains the foreign key is called a child table, and the table which contains the primary key is the parent table.
Okay. Suppose, Snehal, the first parent table is having 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And child table is having 1, 2, 3. Can we delete data from parent table which is ID is 1?
No, directly we can't. First of all, we have to delete the records from the child table, then only we can delete from the parent table.
Okay. If in your parent table you have 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. In your child table we have 1, 2, 3. Can we delete 4th number ID? Is it possible?
In child table?
No, parent table.
Parent table, yes.
Okay. Good. What is the group by in SQL?
In SQL, group by is a statement that organizes the similar value into groups. While using the group by, we have to mandatorily use the aggregate functions along with it. Like for example, in a table, if I have more than one company, like if I have 3 records of TCS, 2 records of IBM, and like any other companies, 3, 4. By using the group by, I can fetch the max value from that particular company. Like it will fetch the maximum value from that TCS.
Okay, maximum salary, all groups.
All groups.
Okay. Can we put group by in a more than two columns?
Yes, we can.
Okay. So can we put some function in a group by?
Yes, we can, as it is an aggregate function.
Okay. Can we put joins in a group by?
Yes, we can.
can be is it possible can be company name which is you are using for the grouping only, that I can put a unique constraint?
No, we can't. As the company name can be duplicate also,
Yes.
like more than one values.
Can we put not null constraint?
Yes, we can.
Okay, good. So what is the commit and rollback?
By using commit, it lets the user to permanently save the transaction which are done in the database or the table. It is also in transaction control language. And by using the rollback, we can undo the changes which are not saved by using the commit.
Okay. So is it work in DML or DDL as well as?
In DML.
Okay. So in a DML, what come under?
In DML, it insert, update, and delete.
Okay. What is the substr function in SQL?
It is an user-defined function in which an user can fetch the substring from the string. Like for example, in substr, in bracket, we first of all we have to give the column name, comma, and the index from which we have to fetch the value, and comma, and in third place we have to give the length.
Okay. Okay. Difference between trunk and round?
By using the trunk, we can truncate the value by removing the decimal values from it.
Okay. Okay. What about round?
By using round, it round outs the value to a digit. Like for example, if I give in the 24.4, it will take only the 24.
Okay, fine. So dear also, those who are listening this video, so whenever if I ask any question, try to solve first yourself, then check it, consider like this is my own interview, and then check it out. Okay. So this is not considered just listen to this video and anything. Try to solve, try to give answer as well as. Okay. So everything is okay, Snehal. So we are going with your practical round. Okay. So connect with your laptop. Okay, Snehal. Now we are here for the practical round.
Okay.
So is it possible to make any table?
Yes.
Yes.
We can create table. Then we have to give the table name. Here I will take employee, in which we first of all we have to give the ID in integer, and I am considering it as primary key.
Okay.
Then I will give the name column in varchar. Then we can give the salary as integer.
Can we put salary data type float?
Yes, we can.
Okay. Currently you can put the integer.
Okay. And I am going to take date of joining, and I will give its data type date.
Okay.
So here
Okay,
my
Snehal.
table is created.
Just wait. So Snehal, what is your table name?
My table name is employee.
So how many table is having column?
It is 4.
4. First column name?
First column name is ID.
So why are you giving primary key ID?
As primary key is an unique key,
Okay.
which does not accept the null value as well as duplicate value.
Try to insert record.
Okay. Insert into that table name.
Okay.
Values. And here I have to give the, like I will take the name Sam, and salary I will give it is like 80,000, and we can give the date by sysdate also. Here my record is inside.
Show me your record.
Select star from that table name. Here is my record.
Okay.
And
So
and if I give the null value, it will give the error.
Try
I
to
can
give.
yes, I can show. Insert into employee values. Like if I give the null as I consider the ID as primary key, if I give null, it will show the error. As we can see here, it is given the error.
okay, good. So okay, so Snail, hope you have done. Do you know very well joins as well?
Yes.
So here all we are giving one questions, which is the tricky questions to all. So first you will be all try yourself. I'm not telling for the Snehal only. All you can pause the video and try to solve that question yourself. So just we want to do joins. So do you have any joins table?
Yes, I have. First of all, I will delete this. Here is my first table.
Just wait. Okay, your first table is having 1 1 0 1 and 2 value is null. So there is a one question. Suppose the first table is having 1 1 0 1 and 2 values is null. Okay, so go with that your next table and have to remember your first table is having how much record. Okay.
Here is my second.
Okay, so your second table is having again 5 record. Where is the one column is null?
No.
Okay, first table is having 6 record and the second table is having 5 record. So Snehal, there is a one question. What is the output for inner join if I combine to both table?
Okay. It will show 8 records.
8 records. Okay. Are you sure about that?
Yes, I am sure.
Okay. So just do joins.
Yes, for joins, first of all, I will select the first table name, score dot star, comma the second table name, underscore 2 from the first table name, inner join, as we are going to use inner join. That second table name. Here we have to give the keyword on, in which table name, and the column which we are going to join. Here I am taking A equal to table underscore 2. In second column, in second table, I have given the B. Yes, we can see here.
Okay. So if I do left outer join, then what is the output?
It will show 9 records.
9 records. Okay, 9 records. Okay. If I go with just show me. सिर्फ इनर को लेफ्ट राइट कर दो और लेफ्ट कर दो, कॉपी करके नेक्स्ट.
By just changing the inner join to left join. Here it is.
Okay, 10 records. Okay. Is it showing the left table null value as well as?
Yes.
Okay. What about right?
It is not.
Okay. Do full outer join. What is the output according to you? Full outer join?
For full outer join, it will show 11 records.
11 records. Okay. ठीक है. Okay, fine. So okay, Snehal. चलो करो. So Snehal, one more question. How to copy table?
We can copy the table by using create table, the table name in which we are going to copy. Like here I will take cust table as select star from the table name in which we are going to copy. Here custom, and we have to give the condition like var like it will also copy if we don't give the var. This is the syntax to copy.
Okay,
table.
just run.
Here my table is copied. I can show it by select star from that table name.
Okay, Snehal. Okay. So overall we have done your interview. Okay. So do you have any question for me?
Like, will you give me that feedback like in which I have to work on?
Okay. So you have to. Okay. Overall everything is okay. You have to work on your theory and some of the part practical.
Okay.
Okay. Create more table, insert more record, and without copy paste. So, and overall everything is okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, Snehal. Thank you. Thank you for your mock interview.
Thank you, sir.